What if I told you don't need a shop, office, or even a physical product to start making money online? That's exactly what digital marketing allows you to do. In this video, I'm going to break down what digital marketing is and how it works, and how a beginner can start making money from it even in 2026. Welcome to my channel, Digital Mike, where we talk about digital marketing, AI, and how to make money online. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be dropping practical strategy you can actually use. Now, let's get into it. Digital marketing is simply promoting products or services using the internet. Instead of using billboard, TV ads, or flyers, everything happens online through platforms like social media, search engine, websites, and emails. So anytime you see ads on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or even Google, that's digital marketing. And the goal is simple: get attention, build trust, and make sales. There are different types of digital marketing. Let me break down the most important one. First, social media marketing. This is using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter to promote products or grow a brand. Second, content marketing. This is what I'm doing right now, creating videos or posts that educate or entertain people, then turning viewers into customers. Third, search engine optimization, SEO. This is ranking your content on Google or YouTube so people can find you without paying for ads. Fourth, paid advertising. This includes Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, where you pay to get traffic fast. And lastly, email marketing. This is building a list of people that sending them message to promote products or services. Now, here is the interesting part. How do people actually make money from digital marketing? Number one, affiliate marketing. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sales. Number two, selling your own products. This could be an ebook, course, or services. So if you are looking for how to create your own products, I can teach you how to create your own products and how to also upload it on a website you can use to sell it so you can receive payment in your local currency. Number three, freelancing. You help businesses run ads, manage social media, or create content, and they pay you. Number four, content creation. You grow a page or channel and make money through ads, brand deals, or selling your own offer. If you're just starting, don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one area, for example, content creation or Facebook ads, and focus on it. Then choose a niche, something like finance, fitness, businesses, or tech. Start creating content consistently. Learn basic skills like copywriting, video editing, and understanding your audience. And most importantly, take action, because watching videos alone will not make you money. Digital marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online today, but only if you actually apply what you learn. If you're ready to start making money using digital marketing and AI, send me a DM or check the link in the video description or in the comment section, the pinned comment. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.